Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to find your IP address on Android. So to find the IP address of your phone, you have to go to the settings. For that, you can click on the settings icon or you can just simply scroll down the down menu and click on the settings icon from the top right. Once you get there, you have to click on the connections, and after that you have to click on Wi-Fi. And after that you have to click on the settings icon which is on the Wi-Fi. Once you get to this page, click on view more and after that scroll down. There you will see your IP address and your MAC address. Now if you would like to copy that one, you can just simply copy and can use it anywhere wherever you would like to. So that's how you can find your IP address on Android and also your MAC address on your Android phone. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. In case you're not subscribed to this channel, make sure to subscribe it for more informative videos and updates. And thank you so much for watching the video.